So thank you again, Werner. We had a great time last year in SDK when you showed me the SDK. We had the chance to play with it. Now I'm here in Waldorf, and you're spending some time with me. So tell me what's going on with the SDK since last year. What has been, how much it has evolved, and
yeah, we had a lot of additional requirements in the past and try to bring that to our new releases starting from 4.0 in ByD and also now in the platform development. Like one of the first very important point in the world where you don't have everything local but you're part of a global internet world is that we have to extend our web service features there. So we have added here, starting from 4.0, the web service consumption that you can develop in one of the actions of a business object, for example, direct access to whatever web service is out there. You just have to have the WSDL file, and then you can program against that and interact with the web service, for example, for that. Another very important point, what we have here, are a lot of usability enhancements. So for example, in the past you had problems understanding really the business objects of ByD. So they have complex structures underneath that, and you don't really see that. Probably it was a code completion, but not a whole structure. So we have now added, for example, a complete repository browser where you can browse into the data structure, see what's in there, browse into all other data types that you can use, and also use them, copy and paste to your actions, to your business object definition, and have in addition also the possibility of huge documentation behind it to really see inside of the help viewer of the ByD Studio or of the Visual Studio, which is the underlying technology, in a standard way, all the objects, what you can do, how to use the SAP objects with examples, with code snippets and so on.
Yeah, that's something I heard from one colleague of yours, that there are a lot of investment around this documentation, code samples, and definitely that should help. As I mentioned, we're looking forward to get access to the SDK to check it out. For SDK coming this next year, can you give us an idea of type of sessions you envision around the ByD and what you think you're going to be talking there?
Yeah, so we have 2 lecture sessions, one hands-on session, Q&A part and things like that. With the lecture sessions, we get an overview of what ByD Studio is able to do, what you can do there, having all the new features shown there. But not only ByD, also the other line of business solutions. For example, also how you can extend CRM on demand and others. Another session will be how we can interact with SuccessFactors BizX suite, how to integrate into this new HR solutions, which is one of our additional on-demand offerings which we have there. So again, what we talk about is web service integration. That's basic for that scenario which we show there. And the last one, the hands-on session, where our participants can develop a mobile iPhone app, interact with SAP object, select values from that, and store that.
So last year we did one, but we built an object was completely aside from the core objects of ByD. Now you're incorporating the scenario, actually an addition into an object, a query to an object of the core, is it?
Directly interacting, retrieving data from the object, using data also on the UI on the iPhone, out of the master data record of a business partner, for example, things like that.
Interesting. Good. So for sure we'll see you there. It's going to be another great great conference.
Yeah, that would be great.
Thank you.